Oh, speaking real quick. Look, okay. You remember our boy Sexman? Remember him? Check out that video real quick, please. What? That video right there with the alien.
Okay.
Please. Oh my God. I'm so glad you saw. I'm so glad I saw this right now.
Okay, let me
Sexman.
Sexman.
Right
if people
back.
Probably know Sexman, Sexman was hanging out with 50 Cent.
Yeah, he was. Not too long ago. You're right.
What the hell is this?
He just put up a new video.
Is this his?
Yes, he just put up a brand new video, and it's brilliant.
Okay.
Yep, just play it.
Hey guys, I felt like doing something different, so I decided to do kind of a interesting video. I'm just gonna put on various faces throughout this short little video and hope you...
Now, if you've seen Sexman, it's this kid who reviews movies sometimes.
Ain't talk.
And you can hear him.
Yeah.
Ain't talks like this.
Talks like
sex
this.
Man. Another sex man review.
God damn it.
God, stop it with the porn.
Stop it.
But he just starts to take this voice and put like these fucking. I know he's got this from some website where you can put
some program
where you can put it. But he's got it's a dinosaur talking like Sexman.
It's a talking dinosaur.
It's talking like Sexman.
It's like a raptor.
The first one is a dinosaur. The next one's going to be an alien. Whoa.
Alien.
Whoa. Yeah. And this one, a lot of people will probably get and laugh at. The dreaded Josses. I hate those people.
It's a jar. It's a shark.
It's the dreaded Josses.
And now, a crappy drawn stick man. Erase me, damn it.
Erase me, damn it.
I'm a kitty. Meow, meow, meow.
That's my favorite one. You need to rewind that. You need to rewind that. I'm a kitty. I'm a kitty.
I love Sexman.
That
guy's awesome.
I'm a kitty. Oh my God.
Awesome, man.
What a joke.
Oh man.
Rock!
Oh!
Rock! Rocking and rolling! Sex Man is rock! Rock! Meow, 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 meow. Sex Man review! I'm a kitty! No! Meow, meow! I'm the dreaded Josses!
Eat all the people.